Okay, so we have quite a few different boxes of tips to talk about, and spoiler alert, I really enjoy all of them. They are all from Temu and Shein. You can get all of these on both sites. I'm gonna put in a picture right here of the prices that they are listed at when I'm filming this video. They do change ever so slightly, but the price range pretty much stays the same from $3 if you're really lucky, up to about $7. So I want to start off with these extra long full cover soft gel tips. In this box you get 240, 12 sizes. They're clear, they're all numbered, none of them are etched or buffed. And I'm just gonna stick with taking out the biggest size for this video. I just wanted to show you guys most of my tips, especially the ones that I got from Temu and Shein, because I just think that a lot of people shop on there and you might find this useful. So here's what the size 0 looks like out of this box. Really nice, really long. Trying to show you the curve. They're pretty flat, which is nice in my opinion, because I do have flat nail beds. They're a little bit more bendable towards the cuticle. And the reason I wanted to start with these is because I also want to show you these. And in this box you get 440. These are soft gel tips as well. And I really like this box a lot. All the numbers are up here, so I'm just gonna take out a 0 from this size and compare it for you guys. So this 0 is way bigger, as you can see. So if you have big nail beds, I've said this before in a previous video, these colored shape boxes are definitely the way to go for you, because they have really nice sizing if you have larger nail beds. So here's the difference in the lengths of the two tapered squares. I've used both of these. I like them a lot. When I pick out my correct sizes of these, the bamboo, French bamboo ones, they do remind me of the apres tips. So let's take a closer look at this one. Okay. Again, they're pretty flat. They might even be flatter than the other box. Very bendable at the cuticle, which is nice, and more strength at the tip, which is what you want. So compared to my finger, if you can see, that's how much extra room you have. I'm usually like a 2, so again this is a 0. And here's your length difference between the extra long and the French bamboo. Next, I want to talk about these. These are extra long 240 piece soft gel stilettos, and the reason I want to show these next is because I have 3 different comparisons in these to show you the length differences. So we have the snaps. I always write my sizes on my box just in case I want to do press-ons or just to make the sizing out process easier. So here's what these are looking like. I really like these a lot. They're really long. So let's grab out one of these. And here you have it. It's a really, really nice long, extra long stiletto. And you honestly can't beat these guys. Look how long. And again, they're pretty flat, so that works well for me. So let's compare that with, here we have the short, medium, and the long. So these all have 550 pieces in the box. Again, these boxes I like a lot because they have the numbers. I just like them a lot, so I'm going to take out the 0 from the long box. I'm going to take out a 0 from the medium. And a short. Because I think this would be helpful if you know what you like, just so you can see the size differences. Stilettos are my favorite, so that's why I have all of these. So here we go. These are the 240 piece extra long. These are the 500 piece soft gel long stilettos. I'm trying to match them up as best as I can. Again, these two are not etched or buffed on the inside at all. The medium, which is right here, the medium 550 box, is etched a bit on the nail bed area. Honestly, you would probably have to etch a little bit more to cover your natural nail. And then these are the short stilettos, which are etched a bit higher, and honestly they look a little bit more almondy to me, but you know, I guess it's because they're getting shorter. So there we have all of those, and I love all of these. Honestly, these are such a good deal. These are my personal favorite. I think it's the perfect length. I really do. But the medium's really nice too. I'm just not the biggest fan of short nails. But here you go with that. And now we're just going to move on to the rest. Oh wait, but I should show you the curve. So these are all 0s again. The medium. They're all similar quality in these 550 count boxes, so you're getting more pliability at the cuticle and more strength at the tip. So really, really nice. Definitely recommend. Okay. Here I bought these. I could only find these, this shape, sorry, words. I have a job interview and I'm just like thinking about it because it's coming up in about an hour. I'll update you on that in the next video, but if I'm kind of all over the place, that's why. But these extra long full cover 240 piece round, or I don't know, I call them round. These I could only find on Shein, the turquoise box. And I was looking and looking, and then I finally found them, and I was so happy because personally I really enjoyed the shape of nail. So here's the biggest, and they're very similar to the ones I have on now, except way longer, which the ones I have on my fingers now are from Nail Couture, and they're the rounds. So yeah, it's just a nice round shape. I love these, I really do. And I might as well show you the smallest size while we're in here. Does anyone else love round nails? Like, I just think it's a look, and I've just been absolutely loving it. These right now are only $3 on Shein, so I have them in my cart. Next time I make an order, I'm getting a couple of boxes of these. I just love them. And then lastly, this box did come broken. These are the extra long full cover coffin tips. So I had to put tape on mine. If I could open it. I don't really use coffin nails very often lately, it seems. But these are very nice now that I'm looking at them again. I haven't used them in a long while. Really nice tapered coffin shape. These are really nice quality in my opinion. I know a lot of people love these, a lot of people maybe don't, but I definitely think they're worth the money. I mean, how can you beat it? So, and here's the smallest one. They're so nice and long. You know what? These are growing on me. I think I need to do coffin nails soon. So, that was my little comparison of those. I do have a couple more I want to grab out and just show you quickly while we're at it. I also have these 2 boxes. These are from Shein, okay? These are ultra short squares and ultra short trapezoid, meaning coffin. So let's break into the squares. These come on these little sticks, so you kind of go through and measure out. They're very, very short, but they're cute. They're nice. Honestly, I love all the tips I get from Shein and Temu. I mean, they work just as good as other things. And here is the trapezoid shape. I've used these before in a video. So I don't really like use short nails often, but they're nice to have for sure. Yes. So, if you enjoyed my little comparison video, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot, helps me get my channel hopefully out to more viewers, which is the goal, right? So yeah, if you could give this a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any of these, if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one, guys.